So hello guys, welcome to my new video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that your game or your match will stuck on your drills in FIFA 19, 18, 17, 16, 15 and 14. So it's super simple, and this may happen because of bad PC or don't have graphic card, you are on integrated GPU. So I will show you how to do it with simple fix. So what you just gonna do is go to your Windows Explorer, just click on your FIFA 19 game save, FIFA 19 files, and you just go to this config file. You just open it, and this app opens. You go to your game settings, and this last DirectX setting, which you can see right here, it will be set on auto or 12, and set it on 11 because this will lower your DirectX version, and this actually helps, and it helped to me. Is if it didn't help, change the resolution to the lowest, which is HD. You can change also the rendering quality to low and turn off the MSAA. And what I recommend you is the last thing to do is lock your FPS on 30 or 60. But actually it helped me, the first method helped me, so I just have it on no limit on FPS. So yeah, just click on OK and you just can close this app. So I hope this video helped you. If not, write me in the comments and I will try to send you some help. If not, it's not okay, I'm sorry. But thank you for the video, and like and subscribe, and bye.